I'm headed into the Walmart here in Griffin, pick up a couple of things. I'll do a review on them as soon as I have them. Here at Walmart looking for a drill, and they're out of the corded drill I want, the cheap corded drill. But I was looking for something cheap. I'd bought me a spice rack through Amazon, and the door's too hard for me to just put a screw in it by hand, so I can drill a couple of pilot holes with a drill. And they got these hyper tough 18-volt cordless drills. With 2-year warranties for $16.84. Now I tell you, Hyper Tough is not a brand name, and I don't like that at all. I was over at Home Depot looking at cordless drills the other day. You're talking, anywhere between $80 and $200 for them things. And I just need something to stick in my shed and use occasionally to drive a screw. And Hyper Tough just seems like a overselling name for something with no brand. But for $16.84, I might give it a try. Howdy, this is Chris. Now I got this cheap cordless drill from Walmart, and I charged it up the day I bought it, and that's been about 3 weeks ago. I used it a little bit then, but I haven't charged it since. Now I bought this thing. I'm not out here doing construction work or anything. I just need to do a little nitpicking stuff around the house where I have to run an extension cord all the time. And that's why I got it. Right now, I'm going to fix this chair. See how it's separated down here and separating right here? I'm going to fix it by shooting me some screws on it to hold it together better. I'm going to throw gas at this angle, hope I get it right. Now I got black screws, so nobody will notice them. These screws are still good. They just old and falling apart. But the charge on this thing should be holding up pretty good. I'm hitting all these pretty good because I can fill a little gap where the dowel goes in. Okay. That thing, you tighten it up and loosen it up with your hand. Okay, let me get a few screws over here. And we're going to see how this works. I'll make that a little tougher. That's a little better. I know there's a couple more places I can put screws, but I had no problem with those places coming apart. So I'm just going to try this. If this works, I'll do it to the rest of the chairs. Well, this chair ought to be pretty tight now. It is. Okay, I gotta tell you, that screw gun works good. Screw gun and drill, you saw me use it for both. And I'm happy with it. I suggest y'all go out here and get you one of these. Alright, have a good day and Merry Christmas. This is Christmas Eve.